Hi everyone, welcome back to VH Agates. My name is Tony and today I'm going to be cutting some exciting old stock agates from Argentina. I mean, look at these colors already. It's a crazy window, but let's cut them and find out more. So these are the agates for today from Argentina, and like I said, they are pretty old stock. What I mean by old stock is from a location you can't really get material from anymore. These are from a location called Sierra Pintada, and they're not nodular. If you look at them carefully, you'll see they have very flat lines as well. That's because these were formed within the voids in host rock, so not in old gas bubbles. By the way, I got all these pieces from Joshua over at Agate, so make sure to check out his website. Now this one is a big window, but it runs to the other side. This is window as well. And if I want a full face, I will probably have to go through a bit of dark window here to, save the most of what I get from the agate to have the biggest face. Other pieces are quite promising as well. You see here. These can be quite a puzzle because of their form. I will probably go from this side, the window there, over to, sorry about that, the point here, cut between the windows to have a nice face there. Now this one shows some promise. Let me go up. So there you go. It could be amazing. We'll see when we cut it. Straight through the middle. Easy choice there. Bigger piece. Dark window here. I'll figure out what the biggest window is. It's probably straight across there. Two nice halves after that. Here's a bit of yellow and black for you. Some standard or colors you see a lot of condos, but they can be very, very beautiful. However, when you have these colors, it doesn't naturally mean that you get these colors back on the inside. These Argentinian agates, they tend to shift colors whenever you least expect it. There's a big window, there's a big window through here, I guess. I have to figure it out. I think through there. And the last one is a big one. Big old dark window here. And on the back side, I will probably go along this line. So let's see what they will cut. Okay, let's start off strong with the first one with the great window and the yellow and red in there and the yellow piece. Okay, these pieces are incredibly difficult to cut. I mean, the cut placement. But you don't want to lose any of the color, so I really had to go slowly there. Hope you guys are ready. Ooh. It's a classic condo. I mean, the colors, the yellow, they just about disappear. And that's what Condor does to you. And you see the straight lines because they're not formed in the old gas bubbles. But it's still a great agate. It's classic Condor colors, this one. Happy with it. Look at these colors. They're dark, but if you like dark colors, they're super. Okay, the other one, small but hopefully mighty. I mean, there's yellow and there's black in here. More yellow. Let's see. Yeah, yes, it's yellow and it's black here as well. Wow. And these are not full-on fractures. These have been healed by nature. They're filled in. So this is as far as I can see, it's fracture free, which makes it a great agate. Super happy with that. I can even use acid to get the calcite out of here and make it a druzy as well. Awesome. Up next are these pieces. Let's see what they hold. Okay, here's the first one of the two. Starts off nice and brown and orangey. Let's see if that stays the same. Yep. That's cool. It's a great agate. It doesn't have too many fractures, so I'm happy with that. I mean, the earthly colors, if you're a fan of earthly and brown colors, Condor agates are the agates for you. Good one. But let's hope that the next one has a bit more contrast in it. I'm inclined to say no because the window is also like black, but here we go. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so these colors are awesome. The yellow and orange going through the... What is this olive green over here and black? A bit more fractured, but still, it's a great piece. You could probably heal the fractures. Okay. Okay, now it's on to the last two pieces. One very dark agate. And one with some nice color all around. Let's see. Okay, are you guys ready for this one? I'm not expecting too much because it's dark here. It's dark all around here, but who knows? There's some brown. Oh, wow. So, yeah, that's not spectacular. It's a full-on brown agate. There's nothing in here. But luckily we've got the last one left, and I do expect some colors here. If there are no colors, I'll be disappointed. We've got bright orange on this side, we've got orange and dark on this side, so here we go. Yes, there we go. Look at these colors. I mean, the orange yellow in black is such a cool combination. This one gave it away a little bit, so super happy to close off with that one. Okay, let's take a look at them inside. Okay, so let's review these Argentinian agates. I'm going to show them in an order I think, my opinion, is least spectacular to the most spectacular pieces of the day. We're going to say this one is the least spectacular for now because it lost the complete drawing in there. It's brown, but the whole banding has disappeared. It's just gone. There's nothing anymore. So it could have been great, but it isn't. maybe this will make a fine cabochon for someone. Up next, it's also a very brown piece. It could have turned out good with all these colors here, but it was very brown. The bands are good, but yeah. So good bands, just a bit brown, but still a great agate. Up next was the one in which I started my video with. A lot of color here, not too much in the center. It's a great piece for the drawing it has. The bands are awesome. It just lacks a bit of the color shifts and the chromatography in there. So not great, but not bad either. Now big boy here. I had some hopes for this one, and partially it came true. The shifts here are crazy. I really like them. So these colors are very good. It's a great agate. Some fractures which put down the value just a little bit, but it's still an awesome piece to have. Now up next is the yellow one of my favorite, well, one of the two favorites for now. It was clear that it was going to be yellow and maybe some black, and that came true. Nice and bright. Don't need too much light for this one. Awesome bands and just great colors. And on to the last one, my favorite for now, you guessed it, is this piece. Just the contrast between, you know, the fiery orange and yellow inside the darkness of this piece is what makes it come alive. So I really like this one. So there's my favorite for the day. If you want to share your favorite, you can put it down in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you all in the next video.